How to fix Roblox account manager not working. So first things first is you click on your Roblox account manager folder. You right click on the application icon, go to properties, and then click on compatibility and make sure that run this program is checked. Run this program as an administrator and then disable full screen optimizations and click apply and then click OK, and then you'll just have to open the software. Now you have to enter your password. Now once the softwares pull up, you have to click on the gear icon and make sure that multi Roblox is activated or enabled. You have to check on that. Now other options, you just have to leave it as it is. And then once everything is set, click on force update and hit yes. And then continue. Now once this is done, it should be working by now. So that's how you fix Roblox account manager.